For Carnival this year, I will prepare Sicilian Sfinci. Have you ever heard of them? Let's make them together.
Sono saporiti assai.
Let's start by making the dough. This will be a very soft batter. Pour in the water, which should be at room temperature, then dissolve in the yeast. I like to do all of this with a wooden spoon for convenience, but if you prefer, you can start with a whisk, then a little sugar, and at this point, we can also add the flour. At first, it is normal if some lumps form. Just continue to mix without getting discouraged. Just like I promised, the dough has become nice and smooth. Now it's time to add a little salt, and now we are ready for the ingredient that will divide all of Sicily. I'm kidding. It's true that each part of Sicily uses a different ingredient. Raisins, chocolate chips, or even nothing at all. If you use another variant, tell us in the comments. And me? What do I use? Raisins, which I rehydrated and then drained. Stir those in well, cover the batter, and let that rise for a couple of hours. Here's our dough that has doubled in size. Now, to fry it in the oil, spoon out a portion, and dunk it directly into the oil. Once they have fried and become nice and crispy, drain them onto a cooling rack instead of fry paper. And the Sfinci are ready. There is just one thing left. We need to roll them in sugar. You should do this while the Sfinci are still hot, because it will help the sugar adhere to them. Once they are covered, place them one at a time on a serving dish. Well, in my opinion, these look really incredible. Let's try them.
Sono saporiti assai.